Parang kilala ko to.
What do you mean?
Wait lang. You look like someone na you look like someone who speak Filipino.
What?
All right, all right. Where is it? What is his name?
I don't know.
Okay, okay. Where are you from?
You really don't speak Tagalog? I'm from,
No, no, no. I went to Philippines last summer. I only learned one word.
oh, really? One word? I think it's,
Yeah. It's a very famous word. It's a very all people use it all the time. The salama po.
salamat.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah.
One much.
What do you do for a living, Zara?
Nothing.
Wow. What a life.
Yes, what a good life, right? I do nothing in
Yeah.
my life.
I wanna be like you.
Like a lazy
You
one.
you tell me how to be like
Guys,
you.
don't be like me. It's a shame. A little bit.
Okay, okay.
Guys, thank you, thank you.
All right, all right.
Don't be like me. It's hard to be me. It's so expensive.
Really?
Yeah. Always
I
hungry
think I
even
can grow
though
my hair like you, like long hair. Long
yeah,
hair.
and you need to be blonde also.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. If you don't mind me asking, Jera, how old are you?
I'm 23.
Okay, very young. Are you
Yeah.
still a student? Are you a student?
No, I just graduated last year.
Congratulations.
I guess. Thank you.
Wow, wow.
It's
And good
really
luck to
hard
your
to
new
go.
life. After college, it's gonna be a new like chapter in your life.
New
I'm so
journey,
excited
right?
for you.
I'm not excited.
Why is that? You should be.
Should I be excited? Because I thought I should be lazy forever.
I see, I see, I see. What are you
After
planning
school,
after? Okay, go ahead. Sorry, I don't mean to cut you off. Go ahead.
no, 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 go ahead. I forgot what I want to say. Thank you, guys.
I see, I see. You have a very
Yes?
short-term memory.
Yeah, I do. That's why it's really hard to, go outside, work, and do something. I always forgot everything.
I see, I see. Yeah. All right, all right. Are you excited this coming February 14?
Oh, I don't know what is that.
You forgot it.
I think I forgot it completely. What's with that? That's I think a
Wala,
normal
wala ka
day.
sa, ano, wala sa calendar mo yung February 14.
Ha?
Wala sa calendar.
Wala. Nabura eh. Ay, wait lang. May nakikilala kang Saranya.
Ikaw ba si Rania?
Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, ikaw yun? O, kaya alam ko nagtatagalog ka. Hindi na ako nagulat. Tanda mo, di ba ang ganda ng glow up, oh?
Hoy, si Rania, yung nagtitira niya kasi sa akin dati, bata yun eh. Mga teenager yun.
Hindi, yung pinarank mo, nag-prank ka, tapos nag-prank ako.
What?
Oh, kung ikaw si Tiranya, ikaw yun, oo.
Baka bang bata?
Hindi. Ngayon kasi matured ka na tingnan. Yung dati, yung Tiranya, hindi. Yun yung parang high school.
O, di ba ikaw yung na-prank ngayon? Ikaw yung na-prank ngayon.
Oo nga, ako
Mukha,
yung na-prank ngayon kasi nagbago yung itsura mo eh.
kulang na lang sa ligo nun.
Hoy, ano pangalan nito? Tingin ko kilala ko nga. Zera. O ba't Zera na pangalan mo ngayon? Oo nga, ikaw nga yun kasi 24K. Oo, 19 pa to na nakaraan, di ba?